Now, we are going to introduce Smart Display UI Editor Controls tutorial, teach you how to quickly build and use UI. The video is divided into the following sections. First, introduction of the software functions. Second, the steps of the new UI project. Third, setup parameters explained. Fourth, the simulator calibration. And the last one, burning. UI Editor 2 is a simple and convenient UI editing software. Double-click to run the software. If you need to switch language, you can click Pair Language in the upper left corner to switch. The software interface is mainly divided into 5 parts. 1. Top control bar. You can import materials and realize touch effect in the editing area by calling the controls in the top control bar. 2. The left page information list. You can edit page switching, page addition, and deletion. 3. The control information list on the upper right side. It is used to view the name of the control on the current page, and you can switch to the corresponding control by clicking it. Four, parameter editing area in the lower right part. If you select a page, you can edit page parameters. If the control is selected, it corresponds to the editing the parameters of the control. 5. The interface editing area in the middle. It simulates the whole screen interface. The following will explain how to quickly create a simple UI project through the UI Editor 2 software. Take the Smart Stink over sliding menu as an example. First of all, you need to prepare the UI material in accordance with the screen resolution before building the project. Create an empty project folder on your computer, and then we will create a new project. Double-click to run the UI Editor 2 software. First, click on the upper left corner of the File option in the drop-down list. Click on the New Project. Then, find the project folder we create in advance. Double-click into the project folder. Name the project file and click Save. Save the UI project in a project folder. At this point, we have created a new UI project. Open the project folder again. You can see that there are many more subfolders. The next step is to store the material files in the corresponding folder. The next step is to store the corresponding material files in the corresponding material folder. For example, for the UI project in Y, I need to use a large background image, a set of recipes, and a sliding menu icon. Then, I need to add a big background image to the picture folder, and the recipe and slide menu icons to the icon folder. After creating a new project and adding material files, we can go back to the UI Editor 2 software to edit the UI project. Add a page-based image through the parameter editing area in the lower right part. a set of menu icons with small icon control through the control bar, and then modify the parameters of the corresponding icon control. Call the sliding menu control and modify the control parameters of the corresponding sliding menu. Set the maximum and minimum value range of the variable address to be consistent with the parameters of the icon control. After the project is completed, click the File option to check the project settings. After confirming that there are no errors, you can click Compile Project to compile it. After compiling, you can view and verify the UI project by clicking on the Tools option and invoking the simulator. The simulator is to simulate the actual effect of the running the project after it is burned into the board. Quickly verify the completion of the project through the simulator. Reduce the tedious process of burning verification to effectively improve the efficiency of development. Here, the simulator, after importing the project, hold down the left mouse button and drag the action of sliding the menu. The simulation is the effect of sliding your finger on the screen. With the emulator, you can see the recipe switching with the sliding of the menu. So, the UI project has already realized the effect of switching the recipe pictures by sliding the menu. After that, you can build the project. Prepare a USB flash drive, connect it to the computer, and create 2 blank folders inside the USB flash drive. Name the folders NCU code and UART TFT flash. Copy NCU code bin and UART TFT2 flash bin files to the corresponding folders on the USB flash disk. Insert the exciting USB flash disk into the demo kit and the USB cable into USB 2. After reset, demo kit will show the burning screen. When the end of burning screen appears in red font, you can pull out the USB flash disk and it will automatically jump to the boot screen.